Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on the SafePal application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the SafePal app and then log into your account using your credentials or your biometrics. After logging in, you will be taken to your homepage. Now, from your homepage, in order to sell any cryptocurrency, you can simply tap on the swap button at the bottom right corner alongside earn. Now from there, you will be able to find the buy or sell option. Simply select the sell option and then you will be able to select the crypto that you want to sell by simply tapping on the drop down menu. After selecting your crypto, simply type in how much of your selected crypto you want to sell on the right side. Then underneath, you can also select which currency you want to sell it for. After selecting your currency, you can simply tap on the sell button and this will begin the selling of your crypto. Once the selling process is complete, you will receive the appropriate amount within your wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sell cryptocurrency on SafePal. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.